We will begin today's show with the 25th Pasuram, Uruthi Maganai Pirandu, from the Tirupavai, signifying the 25th day of the Dhanurmasam. Tirupavai is a set of 30 Pasurams or devotional hymns by Andal, also known as Kodai Nachiyar, who was a Tamil poet in the 8th century. Andal observed the Pavai Nombu for all 30 days of the month of Margari, along with her Sakhis, and she sang one Pasuram a day in praise of Lord Vishnu. She entreats her Sakhis to spiritually awaken themselves and join her in serving Lord Krishna. Margari is a month where bhakti is at its peak. Music and dance is also cherished for their contribution towards bhakti, and sabhas and temples are filled with devotional music and nritya sevas. This pasuram explains how Krishna was born to Devaki, and he was raised by Mother Yashoda. Kamsa, who thought that he could destroy Krishna as an infant, was deceived by the miracles of Lord Krishna. Andal says, "O Krishna, we are gathered here in your temple to sing all of your praises. Please remove all of our miseries and give us eternal bliss." This is musically set in Ragam Behag and Adi Talam, and it is choreographed by Guru Srimati Akila Subramanyam. This will be performed by Maya, Neha, Kaira, Vilasini, Gauri, Kavya, and Purna.
Vara நெருப்பென நின்ற நெடுமாலே நெருப்பென நின்ற நெடுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்து வந்தோ